Hello students, welcome back. So in my previous chapter, I explained about AWS regions and availability zones. And now in this chapter, I will be explaining about AWS local zone. So local zone is referred to as the infrastructure resources like compute storage or various AWS services which are available within one of the local region for the public. So what does it mean? So before I explain a little bit further about it, let me just make you recall what we learned yesterday. So for example, we discussed about availability zone, and this availability zone is in Mumbai. Now let's say you have one application and that application is very heavily used by users in Delhi. So that means there are many users in Delhi, and you want to have faster access to those users. So let's say this is a gaming service, and now if that game is being accessed from Mumbai region, it will still take some time, like maybe 10 milliseconds or 15 milliseconds. You want to have faster access to all the users who are available in Delhi. So in that case, we can use the local zone. So what you will do, you will take the AWS local zone infrastructure and deploy your application there. So now the users who are in Delhi, they will be able to access their gaming portal very quickly because the application servers are just very nearest to them. Internet and everything is just with few hops. So that is the benefit of local zone. It gives you the fast accessibility, and that means when we say the fast accessibility, the single digit latency. So like let's say 2 milliseconds, 5 milliseconds or 8 milliseconds. So minimal latency. So you have faster access to your application. So applications like let's say games or streaming platform like Netflix, they are actually low latency demanding applications, and we need to have very less latency in order to give good services. So they use local zones. So now let's take a look at AWS portal, and here if we go to again AWS infrastructure and services, where yesterday we had a look on uh, regions and availability zones. So now we are going to have a look at local zones. And local zones, if you take a look here, these are the names given here, and if we just type in here India, then you see here Delhi, India. So in Delhi, there is a local zone available by AWS that we can avail the service. And then another one is in Calcutta. So these are the two local zones available within India. And if you can also go to the AWS local zone locations, and you see here generally available, and these are announced. So all the purple colored locations are available already, and the green one are announced. And you see in India there are already two available and two more are announced. So this was a brief overview about the local zones. Tomorrow I'll be giving a bit more overview about other services and wavelength zone, and then we will start with creating the AWS account. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next chapter. Thanks.